Kids Drawing and Learn.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Violet color, light green color, red color, purple color, light blue color, orange color, olive color. A is for aeroplane. B is for ball. C is for cap. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for frog. H is for hen. I is for ink. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for man. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for piano. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yawn. Z is for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.